welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen, and today I'm going to do a review on Forever Young diamond painting putty. And after testing this out and doing a review on it, I'd like to share with you my Christmas canvases behind me that I've been working on. So stick around, hang tight, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go set up. Okay, so we are now at my craft table here in the living room, and this is the envelope that I received from Amazon, Forever Young diamond painting putty, and you get 6 pieces of 15 grams for $9.99. So we'll take one of those out, set that to the side. Let's look at this on the back. It just goes over about Forever Young and features of the products that they offer. Looks like they're trays, containers, mini gems, and they do say recommended keep refrigerated at 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit or 2 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. I will link this down below if you all want to try it. So I used a little piece of it this morning, but this is how large 15 grams is. It's pink and it just says diamond painting on it with some little, looks like little diamonds on it. It does not have a scent to it. The pen that I'm using right now is Make Your Own Art. They sell alien putty, and I purchased this pen from them. Here we have the little pack of putty, and now I am going to put some on my pen. The pen that I'm using is from Make Your Own Art. They also sell alien putty. So we're gonna put some on our pen, and then I use my nail to tear the top off. I even put lotion on earlier, but my hands are dry. Sorry. And I did not get a manicure for this. This is what we're working on. Snowman Believe by Lori Furnell. I started at October 28, 2025, and it's part of my whip rotation. It's a round drill, 22 by 29 inches or 56 by 74 centimeters. And of course, by DiamondArtClub. And now I'm gonna zoom you in. Turn on my light pad, and let's see how this putty works from Forever Young. It sounds like it has a nice pop to it. So how is everyone doing right before the holidays? I'm off this week, so I'm doing as much video as I possibly can before I have to get back to work. I was in college to get my degree, and I finished it. I am thankful that that is over, and I am taking some time off to just diamond paint and do some videos. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry about that, y'all. Roscoe must have heard someone outside. I'm not expecting a package today from DiamondArtClub, but I am expecting one tomorrow. I have one more mystery box, one on the way, and one more mystery box too. So now that college is finished for now, I just received my associates. I have not finished my bachelor's, but I only have, I think, 9 more credits to get my bachelor's, and I was planning on going back in January and to finish those classes up. It'll take me some time because I work full time for the University of Virginia. And when you work full time, it's just a lot to go back to school. And I don't love school. I was never like that student that enjoyed taking tests or being in school. I've talked about it before. I don't need the degree for my job. So anyway, getting back to what I was talking about. Okay, so when the mystery kits arrive tomorrow, I will also unbox those and share them on my channel. What do you think of this putty, y'all? Are you gonna try it? Have you tried it? Have any of you already purchased it and tried it? What did you think of it? It's holding up pretty well. It was not expensive at all for $9.99. I think we're at a good stopping point here. Let's go over and check out the Christmas canvases. This one, here, let me show. We'll start with this one. It's very large. Large and in charge. It is 40 colors. I think it has one special drill. And 4 ABs and 1 E. Okay, let's go over to the other canvases. Magical Christmas by Eau Claire Studios. It is 22 by 27 inches or 55.8 by 69 centimeters. And it has such great detail in it. Look at the dog, the snowman, the snow globe. I've started on the Christmas tree. I finished all this down here. Strawberry shortcake, a berry. I always put, it's not a berry. It's Berry Merry Christmas. By Wild Brain. It's 16 by 20 inches or 40.8 centimeters by 50.8 centimeters. Again, this is DiamondArtClub. And I have finished all of the yellow. I went around and did that down here. The little bird, look at the little robin. And then it has the special drills, these berries. And this one's still available. So is Snowman Believe and Magical Christmas. And I've started filling in like the ladder here and some of blueberry and a little bit of red here. But I'm hoping I can get that one done before that. I think I'll get done before the end of the year. This next one is Santa's List. And it is 22 by 32 inches or 55.6 centimeters by 80.9 centimeters. Again, DiamondArtClub. And I got this off of a D-stash. It was already kitted up in baggies with the stickers on them that they had done. And I was worried. I still don't even know if I have all the drills for this one, but it's absolutely beautiful. It also has the pink lines that transferred onto the canvas. Can you see that? But I don't care because I'm going to do the mica method on it where you can buy mica powder and sprinkle it on the canvas after the fact and it'll hide any background that shows up. So I have some that I'm going to try on it with this. This is beautiful. It's going to be lovely. And I really enjoy doing it. I'm doing a lot of white this month. Also, I don't do a whole lot of small projects, but I do have a few smaller kits. This is one, well, actually not one, it's several that I got from Oraloa, and it's their Christmas one, and there are 4 here. I'm not doing all 4 of these this year. I'll show them to you. I think that this is still for sale. I'm not 100% sure because I haven't been on the site since I purchased it. I did a comparison on some of these companies that I haven't completed the canvases for yet, just because I wanted to know if I needed to incorporate them in my refresh my stash 2026. Anyway, I laid down some drills basically to see how the Orloa felt. You know, I haven't done one, and I have them in my craft room, so I wanted to see. But anyway, this is like low on the priority for me right now because of these larger canvases. Nonetheless, it's a Christmas that I'd like to get finished. And I started these coasters that I got in the Advent, as well as I did just purchase this Santa's Workshop Gem House, but I have I'll probably hold on to this one. I'm not planning on getting the Advent again, but I did get it this year because I wanted to see what it was all about. But I'm not big on little projects, so I probably won't get that one again, and I will probably do that next year. So let's see, what else can I share with you? Oh, here are the other things that came with the Advent. See them. There's Pixie. My husband may be getting up. But anyway, the mini dazzles, and I am not big on these, so they just sit in the storage in my room. I do have some, but I've given a lot away. Like if someone purchases one of my kits that I destash, then I'll throw one of these in there just as a gift. And then this one, Happy Holidays, I've opened it 3 times, but for the life of me, I can't do it, because I think when I'm doing these other larger canvases, I feel like these just take away my time. But it has been fun to do them, but it's not like my first go-to. So anyhow, I don't know what'll happen, but that's it for my Christmas whips. I think my husband's waking up. His name's Tony. I'm sure you'll meet him someday. Hope you all have a great weekend. Thanks for stopping by to check out my video. Please click like and subscribe. Bye.